Welcome to Political Science 102. My name is Eric Schwartz. You are enrolled in state and local government. This is a textbook we're using. You need to have this textbook. I am at Hagerstown City Hall. Some of you will be coming to Hagerstown City Hall to complete different assignments. If you're not coming to Hagerstown City Hall, you'll be going to other municipal meetings, municipal offices to deal with the assignments of this class. Next, we're going to go up to the City Hall chambers so you can see where the council meetings are held. You'll be going to some of these as well. These are the council chambers at Hagerstown City Hall. The meetings are on Tuesdays. Be sure to check the agenda. Get an agenda before you come to the council meetings. There's a very good website that will give you an agenda and fill you in. If you come in, you'll see this is where the council members sit, and the audience. You'll be able to sit with other members of other citizens. I highly advise you to get an agenda before you come so you have an idea about what is being talked about. So this is a very much an experiential, hands-on class. You will be coming to, municipal buildings. You'll be interviewing mayors. You'll be interviewing city councilors as part of your work, your assignments for this class. So have fun.